Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily restore picture settings back to default on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So as you guys can see now, here we are in the Camera Hub application for our PC. This is the app especially designed for ELGATO cameras. So now what we need to do is select camera here. Go to device, make sure that the input is set as ELGATO Facecam Pro, and now scroll down to picture and click this little button. After doing that, as you guys can see, the saturation is going back to 50% and the contrast is going back to 50% as well. As you guys can see, the difference is very noticeable, as you guys can see. And it works. So thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.